Have you heard of the soursop fruit? This exotic fruit, with its spiky green exterior and creamy white flesh, is gaining popularity. People are increasingly interested in its potential health benefits. Soursop, also known as graviola, is native to the tropical regions of the Americas. It is now cultivated in various parts of the world, including Africa and Southeast Asia. While enjoyed for its unique flavor, soursop is also attracting attention for its long history of medicinal use. For centuries, indigenous cultures have utilized various parts of the soursop tree, including its leaves, bark, and fruit, for a variety of health purposes. Today, soursop is readily available in various forms, from fresh fruit and juice to capsules and extracts. As research continues to explore its potential, it's crucial to approach these claims with a balanced perspective, considering both the potential benefits and risks associated with this intriguing fruit. Soursop boasts a rich history of medicinal use in traditional medicine systems across the globe. In the Amazon rainforest, indigenous communities have long valued soursop for its therapeutic properties. They have used it to treat a wide range of ailments, from fever and inflammation to digestive issues and skin conditions. In the Caribbean, soursop leaf tea is a popular remedy for insomnia and anxiety, while in parts of Africa, the fruit pulp is used to treat parasitic infections. These traditional practices, passed down through generations, provide valuable insights into the potential health benefits of soursop. While these traditional uses are intriguing, it's important to note that they are often based on anecdotal evidence and cultural beliefs. Modern scientific research is essential to validate these claims and understand the mechanisms of action underlying soursop's purported health benefits. One area of particular interest in soursop research is its potential anti-cancer properties. Scientists have been intrigued by the presence of unique compounds in soursop called acetogenins. These naturally occurring compounds have shown promising results in laboratory studies, inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. Acetogenins appear to work by targeting the energy production pathways of cancer cells, effectively cutting off their fuel supply and leading to cell death. This mechanism of action has sparked excitement among researchers, as it suggests a potential new avenue for cancer treatment. However, it's crucial to understand that these findings are preliminary and primarily based on in vitro studies, which involve testing substances on isolated cancer cells in a laboratory setting. While encouraging, these results do not necessarily translate to the same effects in living organisms. The journey from a promising laboratory discovery to an effective treatment is a long and complex one. In vitro studies are a crucial first step, allowing researchers to screen for potential therapeutic agents in a controlled environment. However, the human body is a complex system, and the results observed in a petri dish may not always translate to real-world effectiveness. To determine the true potential of soursop and its acetogenins in combating cancer, in vivo studies are essential. These studies involve testing the substance in living organisms, such as animals, to observe its effects on a more complex biological system. While in vitro studies provide valuable insights into the mechanisms of action, in vivo studies offer a more realistic assessment of a substance's potential benefits and risks. While animal studies have shown some promising results regarding soursop's anti-cancer effects, the evidence remains inconclusive. Some studies have shown that soursop extracts can slow tumor growth and enhance the effectiveness of certain chemotherapy drugs in animal models. However, other studies have reported mixed results or even adverse effects. It's important to remember that animals are not humans, and their physiological responses to substances can differ significantly. Therefore, extrapolating findings from animal studies to humans should always be done with caution. To definitively determine the efficacy and safety of soursop for cancer treatment in humans, rigorous clinical trials are essential. These trials involve testing the substance on human volunteers under controlled conditions, comparing its effects to standard treatments or placebos. Section 6. Soursop is not a replacement. Given the preliminary nature of the evidence surrounding soursop's anti-cancer properties, it's crucial to emphasize that soursop should not be considered a replacement for conventional cancer treatments. Cancer is a complex disease, and treatment decisions should be made in consultation with qualified healthcare professionals. Replacing proven medical therapies with unproven remedies can have serious consequences, potentially delaying or interfering with effective treatment. While soursop may hold promise as a complementary therapy, More research is needed to determine its safety and effectiveness when used alongside conventional cancer treatments. Section 7. The hidden dangers of soursop. While often touted for its health benefits, soursop is not without its risks. One concern is the potential for drug interactions. Soursop can interact with certain medications, including blood pressure medications and diabetes medications, altering their effectiveness or increasing the risk of side effects. It's crucial to inform your healthcare provider about all supplements and herbal remedies you are taking, including soursop, to avoid potential interactions. Another concern is the potential for neurological toxicity. Soursop contains annonacin, a neurotoxin that has been linked to neurodegenerative diseases. While consuming moderate amounts of soursop fruit is generally considered safe, excessive consumption or long-term use of concentrated extracts may pose risks, particularly for individuals with pre-existing neurological conditions. Section 8. Weighing the evidence, promise, and uncertainty. Soursop, with its intriguing history and potential health benefits, occupies a fascinating space in the world of natural remedies. While traditional uses and laboratory studies suggest promising avenues for exploration, it's crucial to approach these claims with a critical and discerning eye. The current scientific evidence regarding soursop's efficacy in treating cancer or other ailments remains inconclusive. More research, particularly large-scale human clinical trials, is needed to validate these claims and determine the long-term safety and effectiveness of soursop. The allure of a natural remedy, especially one with a long history of traditional use, is undeniable. However, it's crucial to remember that natural does not always equate to safe or effective. Section 9. A note of caution. As with any health decision, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before incorporating soursop into your diet or health regimen. They can help you weigh the potential benefits and risks based on your individual health status and medical history. While soursop may hold promise as a source of nutrients and potential therapeutic compounds, it's crucial to approach its use with caution and prioritize evidence-based information over anecdotal claims. Responsible consumption and informed decision-making are key to harnessing the potential benefits of soursop while minimizing potential risks.